What's up, YouTube? I'm back again doing another DIY, and I thought I'd record myself doing it again and share it with you guys. So doing the Jordan 4 Sashiko, doing this as a gift for a friend of mine. He just had his birthday and I thought it'd be a cool gift to give to him. So I'm gonna be bleaching these shoes one more time. If you haven't seen the ones I did before, this is the result that it comes out when you bleach the shoe. I actually dunk the whole shoe in bleach. The thing about bleach is that it doesn't bleach all materials. It does most materials. It will whiten and lighten most materials. But sometimes there's cases where things don't get bleached, and that's what happens in this project here. You'll see things that get white and things that stay the same color, which is super cool. I thought the Sashiko 4s were great as is, but I felt like if you were to bleach it, it was gonna come out patchwork, and that's exactly how it came out. And let's show you guys how to do it. So I didn't get to explain it on my last video with my DIY Stussies. The swoosh and things like that doesn't get bleached. That's why they stay black after you bleach them. Just certain materials just doesn't work well with bleach, so that's why that happens. Alright, so as I was setting up to do this, I just realized that I did not get enough bleach for this project. So I will be bleaching the shoes on one side for 30 minutes and then flipping the shoe and then bleaching it again for 30 minutes and see how that looks after. And if it's not bright enough to how I want it, I'll do it for another 30 minutes. First, I actually took out the laces and the insoles if you haven't done that already. If you're using an existing pair that you already worn, I would suggest cleaning the soles and any dirt and debris off of the shoe before starting this process. And for the bleaching, once again, it's going to be 50% bleach, 50% water. Alright, I would suggest using gloves for this, but I am not going to once again because I do not care, even though I should. Here we are. Just get the shoe in there. You can already see the bleach happening. And you want to make sure to shake the shoe around, make sure the bleach is actually getting on the whole shoe. I don't have gloves on, unfortunately, so I am not going to dip my finger in there and try to massage this shoe. I'm just going to shake it. Close the lid, come back in 30 minutes, flip the shoe, and do it again. Alright, so it's been about 30 minutes. I just flipped it.
That 30 minutes just went by so fast. Yeah.
As you can see, this side's already been bleached. It's looking pretty good. You can tell some panels, like the red and this blue here, didn't bleach. That's because it just doesn't work with bleach. Some are bleaching faster than the others, which is cool. I'm gonna make sure it stays that way so it's more of a patchwork look with the hydrogen peroxide. Alright, so after the bleach, I'm just rinsing it now. I'm gonna use a little bit of my dish soap, hand wash these. I've used the washing machine last time with my first pair, but in the washing machine it tumbled too much and it chipped the part of the sole paint, so I didn't like that too much. I'm gonna hand wash it this time and then neutralize the bleach with the hydrogen peroxide for about 4 or 5 hours. I'm actually just gonna leave it overnight and then dry it tomorrow morning, and I'll show you the results tomorrow night. Alright, after the wash, I put hydrogen peroxide in there and water. As much hydrogen peroxide as I could find at the store. It's pretty low right now due to COVID. I found 4 of these bottles. If you happen to find plenty, I would just get as much as you would get bleach and do the same process and let it sit for at least 4 hours. So I'm gonna leave it in here for at least overnight just because I got 3% hydrogen peroxide. Not sure how strong it is, but I'm just gonna let it soak overnight. And if it still smells like bleach, I'll just redo the process. But it's pretty much ready to go after this. Just Just let it dry and you should have yourself some patchwork Sashiko 4s. What's up guys, I'm back. New location in the Bahamas. Got the shoes here with me. They still smelled like bleach. I went ahead and just hand washed them with some liquid detergent. And now I'm just letting it air dry. But they're pretty much ready to go. It had a little bit of bleach stains. You could slightly see it here, maybe. But I had to wash it out. Wasn't sure why that happened. If you guys have any ideas, leave it in the comments. But the bleach came out good. Alright everybody, this is the end results of the bleach project with the Sashiko 4s. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave your opinions in the comments if you like it, if you don't like it. Would love to hear your thoughts. Just want to take this time to appreciate and thank every one of you guys for subscribing to me and following me along this YouTube journey. Follow me on Instagram, marklessshark or Shark Hives. Comment what you guys want to see next. Thank you guys so much. Peace and love.